Let's do a quick trade breakdown of these two pairs, AUDCHF and AU. And I think I mentioned both of this pair in the Sunday market breakdown also. And I also did forecast both of them, right? So just before that, if you guys don't have the Falcon contents like the Falcon mechanics, the forward, the rewind, the LT, and also the latest hybrid trading methods. If you guys don't have it, if you guys want it, if you guys need it, all you have to do is just message me on the Telegram Manos Falcon, or you can just scan this code right there, right? Just message me up. So let's do this trade breakdown. Let's start with the daily time frame. As we can see, we got directed from this value point, and we already got the confirmation on the daily time frame. As we can see, we are moving to the downside, and the next one is looking for the TP point, right? Here we go, a clear miss gap on the downside, which makes sense because we're looking for the short, right? As we can see in the for hour, we can't actually see the structure that clear, so we have to go to the downside, which is on the H1, and we can clearly see the things that the market is trying to tell us is that we got retest from this point. It is also one of the most repeatable structure, not a structure, a behavior of the market that we that happens most of the time, right? We got retest from here and we move to the downside, impulse correction, impulse, right? I was expecting a buy from there by using the risk entry, but the risk entry was invalidated by this big momentum green candle, and it closed above this value point, right? A mini value points for us to take this trade, right? So the risk entry has been invalidated, so we have to wait for the insurance entry to take this trade. Guess what? We get the insurance entry on the H1 time frame. As we can see, one touch, two touch, three touch. We have the double bottom on the downside too, right? So you can just refine it as a bit right there. So your trade will be after this H1 time frame doji close, right? 12 230, so it will be 2 230 245 will be around here. So you set your stop loss slightly below there, you put your stop loss around there, so it might be even a loss right from there because it's a cat shades up here, so it has lots of spreads in it, right? Or you can just set a stop play just above, just below this can wick for like 3 to 5 pips below that wick, right? So if you took the trade exactly like that I mentioned, you will be in set category, and also you took the right way of taking the trade, because most of the time if you can see the structure on the H1 time frame, you have to use the H1 time frame to take the trade, but you're refining that trade on the 15-minute time frame, so you have to be a bit more loose with the way that you take the trade, right? So you want a bit more confirmation type shit, right? So you will be setting the stop play right there, like 2 to 3 pips below the wick, right? So yeah, it's moving quite well right now for 6%. So let's move to the next one, which is AUDUSD. I also did mention that I missed this trade, right? On the last video, no, on the last, yeah, not on the last one, but on the previous video, I did mention that I missed this trade, and just after that, I did forecast this thing in the video also, right? And as we can see, that thing happened in the, well, not the most cleanest one, but we can see the structure on the 5 minute time frame, which is a bit more advanced play, right? Actually, I also did miss this one because I was waiting for a bit more, too much, a bit more weighted time frame to commit this trade, right? But yeah, the good thing is that I can actually see the structure, see the trade played out, right? So as we can see, it is also moving quite lovely, right? So that's it for video, boy.